In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unusual activity detected error on ElevenLabs. If you're running into that message, it often comes from corrupted or conflicting site data stored in your browser. The quickest fix is to remove ElevenLabs cookies and permissions so the site can start fresh. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to do that, and I'll explain what you're seeing along the way. First, open your web browser and look to the top right corner for the 3 dots. That's your browser menu. Click it to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the control center for your browser, where you can adjust privacy, security, and site data. Once the settings page loads, use the search bar at the top and type cookies. This is the fastest way to jump to the right section without hunting through menus, and it works in most modern browsers. In the search results, click third-party cookies. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different in your browser. You're aiming for the cookie and site data area. Opening this page puts you in the privacy area where cookie controls live. Next, click See All Site Data and Permissions. This page lists every website your browser has stored information for, including cached files, cookies, and permission choices like microphone or clipboard access. We're going to target only the data related to ElevenLabs so you don't log out of other sites by accident. Use the search bar on this page and type ElevenLabs. You should see 1 or more entries appear, sometimes with subdomains. This filters the list down to just the items we care about. Now, click the delete icon next to the ElevenLabs entry. It often looks like a small trash can. If there are multiple ElevenLabs entries, remove each one the same way to ensure nothing stale is left behind. When the confirmation prompt appears, click delete. This action only removes local data stored in your browser for ElevenLabs. It does not touch your ElevenLabs account, projects, or billing. The next time you visit the site, your browser will generate fresh cookies and you may be asked to sign in again, which is expected. That's it. By clearing the site-specific data, you eliminate the corrupted session information that commonly triggers the unusual activity error. If you still see the message afterward, double-check that every ElevenLabs entry was removed on the site data page and try again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back into ElevenLabs without any hiccups.